So you're thinking about starting a construction firm? That's an exciting journey, but can also feel like a big mountain to climb. Don't worry, we'll break it down into manageable steps. First things first, you need a solid plan. Imagine your plan as the blueprint of your business. It maps out what you're building, how you're going to build it, and who's going to help you along the way. Think about your goals, who your customers will be, and how you'll stand out from the crowd. Now, let's talk about the nuts and bolts. Money. Every business needs a bit of cash to get started. You might have savings or need a loan. Either way, be smart about it and know where every penny's going. It's like building a house. You wouldn't skip on the foundation. Next, the legal stuff. You'll need licenses, permits, and all the paperwork sorted out. Once you've got the legal stuff down, it's time to build your crew. You need a reliable team because no one builds a skyscraper alone. Find people who are skilled, dependable, and share your vision. Consider your tools and equipment. Whether it's heavy machinery or everyday tools, having the right equipment is essential to get the job done efficiently. Be sure to invest in quality tools and keep them maintained for optimal performance. Marketing is another big thing. Let people know you're open for business. Use social media, word of mouth, and maybe even some old school flyers. Whatever works to get your name out there. Customer relationships matter. Building strong relationships with clients is just as important as building structures. Providing excellent customer service and staying in touch with past clients for repeat business or referrals will keep your firm growing. Think about safety. Construction is a high-risk industry, so ensuring safety is a top priority. Make sure you follow all safety protocols and provide your team with the necessary training and equipment. A commitment to safety will protect your workers and build a strong reputation for your company. Finally, think about growth. Once you're up and running, keep an eye on how things are going. Look for ways to improve and maybe even expand. Your business is like a living thing. It needs care and attention to thrive. So, that's a quick tour of getting your construction firm off the ground. Remember, every big project starts with a single step. Check out legalregistration.com for more help or call us at 877-955-7111. This video is brought to you by legalregistration.com, your #1 online incorporation service provider. We can guide you through the process of getting your business legally up and running. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Happy building!